Okay, Asia session done. I took one trade on AJ. The reason why I took it is you have a breakout level right here. Here's the breakout level. This week breakout reversal, couldn't get past that breakout level. This becomes a breakout continuation, breakout reversal again, tried to get through, false breakout, didn't work, became a breakout continuation again, breakout reversal, came back down, and this level right here, that is this green one right here, is a previous day low. So now it's faked out that previous day low right above the breakout level. So this turns into a breakout continuation again. It means that the peak isn't locked in yet. And so I would expect price to get all the way back up to the previous day high of the week. It's might be easier to see on the weekly. What I was going for, it's a breakout week. Here is the weekly breakout level. This dashed line right here, this green one, this is a daily breakout level. Price broke out. This is a fake out on the week. Couldn't get back down. Came back up. Fake out again. Came back down. This is a fake out reversal, right? So when price isn't able to get out of the range, it becomes a fake out. And on the weekly, it's a fake out reversal coming back up. So fake out reversal, fake out reversal. But this time you have the breakout level here. This is a daily breakout level. The previous one came below that. So this is a false breakout coming back out, breakout continuation. And now this is a breakout continuation where the previous day is above the breakout level. So took this trade. I saw it on the H1 because yesterday faked out the previous week high. I'm not going to reverse that move unless I get a lower time frame fake out. Lower time frame fake out is right here on the previous day high, previous day low fake out. For me, the H1 confirms the previous day low fake out. So I was waiting for H1 closure. Got that H1 closure right here. And then I dropped down to, in this case, the M15. Waited for a low fake out to take it up. So price pushed up, triggered the H4 high right here. Not a good sign for me because this is an H8 breakout. So if it triggers a H4, that means this is a H8 breakout continuation, right? So this line here is a breakout level of the H8. Here's the breakout low, and then the previous high of the H4 becomes a breakout continuation on the H8. So came back down. I was expecting it to, I wanted to see how it would react at the previous H8 low right here. Didn't get through that. So this to me means that this is possibly the peak of the H8. Again, here's the H1 closure. Was waiting for an M15 high fake out. Came back down, faked out that M15 right here. And I entered straight on the M15 stop loss low of the day. Took a beat of heat, came back down, started just, doing whatever. And then now I'm not going to predict anything. Let's just see if it goes. So when that happens, when the breakout level isn't able to be reversed, in this case, the daily breakout level, here's the last bullish breakout level. When price isn't able to break below that, it means that the peak isn't locked in. Remember, like I always say, I only look for two things: a peak fake out, which is a fake out of the last of the second highest peak. This is a first sign of a reversal, but the time frame reverses. The reversal is confirmed once that the last breakout level is taken out. So I'm always looking for this breakout level to reverse. Reason why I look at that is because this is the last level where the market tells me that I'm 100% certain that this is a bullish move. And so if I get a breakout bar that closes below that, that shows me that the market has changed bias. And this only happens on swing points. So let me see another one easy to see. So again, here you have this swing point. In this case, didn't get up past that previous peak. So the previous peak would actually be this one. So the previous peak and the breakout level on this one are the same. This one gets past that previous peak and then reverses when this bearish breakout bar closes below the last bullish breakout bar. And so these yellow bars on my chart are swing points. I don't trade them blindly. I definitely do some analysis before, but basically I'm looking for the peak fake outs. That's the first sign of a reversal. And then I'm looking for the first time that a bearish bar takes that out. And that's when I'll start looking for moves to the downside. So here's an example where bearish breakout level. This didn't close as a breakout bar, so this doesn't change the bias or it's uncertain yet. But the next one does. So this is when I'll be looking for longs, and that's all I do. I just look for the peak fakeouts and the breaks of the breakout level, and that's how I do my trading. So going back to this case, here is the breakout level. It's already faked out the second highest peak, which is this one. Couldn't get past that breakout level, and so now it should be going on its way back up. So gonna set some alerts over here. That'll be when I'll start to look at it. Here's the H8 breakout level. I'm gonna take a look over here. I might look to take some partials over here. But that's it. Just yeah. So the trade was M15 high fake out. On the daily, this is a fake out setup. The H8 low at the previous day low. H8 low, previous day low, low of the day. So this on the daily is a fake out setup. I'm taking this as a fake out reversal on the weekly. So again, my setups work on every time frame. Market is fractal, so I've developed setups and cycles that work on every single time frame. So if it gets all the way, it'll be a nice about 6R, targeting the previous day high actually, so 7R, and that's it. That's the trade I'm taking. Didn't like anything else. I was looking at JP. Had an amazing trade on this one yesterday. Took it right up here. And again, this one I took some heat. I said, like a lot of my swing setups tend to be break evens or losses. So I do expect this sort of move, but I definitely try to hold on to them. So was targeting the previous month low. The other day I said it was going to be a swing setup, but I realized that this is actually a fake out retracement, breakout reversal, breakout reversal, false breakout, fake out retracement, going down to the previous month low. So I was targeting the previous month low from this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. Targeting the at the time it was the previous day low, but when I saw that it was a fake out retracement, I was targeting the previous month low. Held it the whole way through today. When it didn't get past that previous day low, I decided to just take partials. For me, I'm not going to risk 80. I have an 85% rule where if price has gone about 85% of the way, I'm not going to risk all this profit just to make this. So I ended up taking my partials on this already. Yeah, so it took my partials about when it was coming up, so about 10R, and now I'm just going to hold it. This is one of those things where, I've said before with the fake out retracement, if it's able to get past the breakout level, there's nothing stopping it from going all the way down. So taking this as a swing trade, but let's see what happens. Didn't like this one today. I wanted to sell it below here. It was at below the H8 breakout level. 7 a.m. Tokyo market open here. Shot up, faked out here. This is the H4 level, so I like that. I prefer the H8, but I could still take the H4. But the M15 breakout level was down here, so did not take that one. Came back up took out the H4 high over here, and I was looking for an entry below this level. This is the last M15 breakout level. First one didn't give me enough. Didn't give me enough evidence that this would continue. Next one did, but there was no follow through. So I would have taken it like this if it followed through, probably below. No, I would have taken it straight off that. Usually in Asia, I prefer the high, but since I banked in like so much profit on this, I would have probably been a bit more aggressive. Needed at least 2R, but there was no follow through. Didn't take this, and so it came back up, and now I'm no longer interested. Created a range. I won't be looking at this until it breaks this, but now it's also flipped this H8 breakout level. So yeah, it's got to come up here. Otherwise, I'm not even going to bother with this. And that's it.